Tired of juggling multiple apps for your finances? What if you could manage your spending, investing, and borrowing all in one place, seamlessly? That's exactly what M1 Finance aims to do with its integrated platform. And at the heart of that financial hub is the M1 Spend account. So, what is M1 Spend? Think of it as a full-featured digital checking account that's designed to work hand-in-hand with your M1 Invest and M1 Borrow accounts. Unlike a traditional bank, M1 Finance is all about creating a money management super app. M1 Spend gives you a place to park your everyday cash and an FDIC-insured account for your savings, but its real power comes from how it's connected to everything else. Setting up M1 Spend is straightforward, especially if you're already an M1 user. You simply log into your M1 account, navigate to the Spend tab, and follow the prompts. The platform guides you through the process, and soon you'll have a checking account with a routing and account number, ready for direct deposits and bill payments. You'll also receive a debit card, and for M1 Plus members, there are extra perks like a higher APY and cash back. The real genius of M1 Spend is in the overview and how it connects to the other pillars of the platform. You get a clear, single view of your money across spending, saving, and investing. This integration makes it incredibly easy to move money instantaneously between your different accounts. You can set up what M1 calls smart transfers to automate your finances. For example, you can automatically send any money above a certain amount in your checking account to your investment account, or have a specific amount transferred to your high-yield savings. This kind of automation removes the guesswork and makes building wealth effortless. M1 Spend isn't just a checking account, it's a strategic part of a larger financial system designed for the modern investor. It's a key piece of the puzzle that helps you simplify your financial life and build your wealth on autopilot. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.